Alright, what's up backyard dippers? I'm John, one of your salt pool experts from Discount Salt Pool, and today we're going to go over a question that some new pool owners often wonder. Exactly what is a salt pool? Most people that hear saltwater or salt pool immediately think one thing, right? The ocean. But in the swimming pool world, saltwater or salt pool is really just referring to using a salt chlorine generator to sanitize the water. Now, using one of these systems eliminates the major maintenance expenses by delivering free chlorine to the pool. Better yet, it's not going to affect any of your equipment around the pool and is known for cutting out the common irritants found in tablets. So no more itchy skin and no more red eyes. Now, these modern day systems operate at around 3,500 parts per million of salt, while the ocean content is around 35,000. So you see, they really don't compare in the slightest. The beauty of using one of these saltwater systems is that your family and friends swimming won't even have an idea that this chemical reaction is taking place. So it's pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about how it works. First, you're going to want to add salt to the pool while installing a salt chlorine generator. The salt system has a controller which will be wired in at your pool equipment and a cell which will be plumbed on your return line back to the pool. You guys with me so far? So let's take a look at the cell. The cell is composed of a chamber that houses metal plates. All right? Now, as the water passes through these plates, a process called electrolysis occurs. Now, this electrolysis is the process of the salt in the pool being converted to a safe and pure form of chlorine. So when you think about it, salt pools are just swimming pools that have soft natural water. They're not a constant fight to keep clear, and they eliminate the need to buy chlorine and shock. And this is exactly why 7 out of 10 new pools are salt pools. If you're ready to spend more time enjoying your pool, rather than dealing with the hassles that come with regular and traditional pools, let me help you. I promise we can set you up in no time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you're ready for more content, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Again, I'm John with Discount Salt Pool, and we'll take care of you guys. Thank you.